Jezera, Croatia. This is the 9th edition of BENETEAU First SE challenge, and it's going to be a record-breaking one. 15 nations, we have 72 boats registered.
I think that's one of the best things about it is just how many boats there are, and I've never had the opportunity to sail against that many of the same kind of boat. It's actually been fantastic. Everything about it I have loved. Just sailing here is amazing, and it's an opportunity that I couldn't miss out on.
We are very happy to be here again, to have a race in this beautiful place. We're waiting for good weather this time, not light like the last year. Will be a wet race. We say champagne sailing.
We are here also for a good race, for good sailing, to see how we can handle the boat and to be comfortable with the result.
Very excited to be here. It's a very nice excuse to come back here and sail these fantastic boats and have a lot of good racing as well against such a big, strong fleet. I'm sure it'll be some really, really close racing. Totally unpredictable winds because you've got islands everywhere, wind holes everywhere, lots of changes of direction of the wind. It'll be non-stop.
We are here for, first of all, for the spirit of this race and to win the last year.
The competition in the 27s this year is amazing. 2 guys from IMOCA, 1 guy fresh from the Mini Transat finishing 5th, and then we have guys who are European champions in the 27. So just to be able to play with these guys is amazing. I'm not having ambitions to win or to beat them, but we try to give them a run for their money.
I like the race, I like the people, I like the atmosphere, so all of the above. I do, however, feel that for me it's a miles building thing, an opportunity to test my skills, to see how it is out of my comfort zone.
Seeing those 72 boats, I think, with people coming from all over Europe and even a crew from USA. It's like a family. They all know each other, and you see many couples sailing together, or father and sons, or father and daughter, and that's what I love. It's like adventure cruising, and that spirit you can see is around this community, and for me it's just amazing.
Yeah, it was a super race actually. Tougher than I expected. I think it's fair to say that small boat racing is no easier than big boat racing. The wind, the weather just changes like all the time. So there is just no time to rest, no time to relax. We're constantly adapting to changes in the wind and the environment. They call it a challenge because it is a challenge.